Okay, so we have here a earthworm dissection. If we go to the front, we can see here, a pair of cerebral ganglia right in the middle there, the little white structures, which are these two. Then we'll come back to more nervous system in a moment, but we can see there a pharynx now in the center, which then passes food from that pharynx, there the pink bag, down an esophagus, which then moves food to, we'll bypass this region, to a crop, stores food, and then a gizzard, which muscularly breaks it down before it goes into the intestine. Now, as we go down this region, we can also see that there is a ventral nerve cord visible, which if I look at this region here, you can see that white tube running the length of the body. That's that ventral nerve cord. And we have a ventral vessel as well. Ventral vessel is bringing blood back from the posterior regions of and it's going to bring it all the way back. And then we have, in this region at the top of the worm here, towards the anterior end, we have these red bags, which are actually a sequence of dorsal aorta for pumping blood. And then those pump the blood back down the dorsal vessel, which you can see on top of the intestine there. Blood is going from those dorsal vessels into these little metanephridia as well. You can kind of see one just there, these little white structures floating within each within each segment. And those are actually responsible for removing nitrogenous waste. So waste goes into the metanephridia. You then see, coelomic fluid goes into the metanephridia. You then see salt resorption, water resorption, and then the nephridiopore exits the body wall, through which we see the urea and ammonia ejected along with some water. Okay, final structures to note. We've lost our focus ever so slightly, so we'll see if we can improve that. There we are. Okay, we are seeing, there's those lovely dorsal aorta, by the way, you can really see them there. So we have these seminal vesicles, which are actually producing sperm, and then little white balls, these little pale white balls, those are seminal receptacles for receiving sperm. There we go. Okay, so that is an earthworm.